My name is Ricky, and this is my video for my English assignment on climate change. As of 2020, climate change reached an all-time high, therefore resulting in a critical year for us. With how advanced modern society is, people continue to drive and fly more, causing the emissions to rocket through the roofs with all the fumes and gases released into the air, reaching our ozone layer. Who's to blame for the slow destruction of our Earth? It is divided right down in the middle between blaming it on the individuals causing the climate change or the government for not taking responsibility over the situation. Main objective of this video is to actually figure out who's in the wrong and what they could have done to do this. With how much information is provided on the internet and first-hand research in books, this research is very limited, but it's informative. What is going on with the world and climate change exactly? Thousands of studies have proven that temperature has increased at the Earth's surface, atmosphere, and oceans as well. The rise in temperature thus leads to the many major precipitation events, such as glacier and snow covering shrinking, sea ice is retreating, seas are warming, rising, and becoming more acidic as we speak. Why do you ask? Climate change is primarily caused by fossil fuels, adding greenhouse gases that trap heat near the Earth's surface. If individuals and families would start using less gas and travel with a more eco-friendly mode of transport, it would most definitely help. But how many participants will it actually take to make a difference? In my opinion, without the government's influence in today's society, there is no way individuals would change daily life activities without any orders or any type of motivation anytime soon. If the government actually stepped into this issue with a better plan and ordered people more, the world wouldn't be in as much danger as it is now. In most people's point of view, this is the fault of every type of person that is either outgoing, whether they want to meet friends or go to work. But I mainly think it's the government's fault for not pushing a new rule to prevent people from releasing gases that harm the environment. Whether it's preventing companies from releasing too many gas cars to the public or not encouraging other companies to sell electric cars, this is all the government's fault. They could have added new ways of transport, more public transportation to be exact. I personally think the government could do a better job in forcing people to do the right thing. It is the Earth we're talking about. They got to do something serious to make a change. As a final statement, I stand with the idea that the government is to blame for not controlling society all over the world for not taking action to save the environment. People in this world take orders from their jobs. Whether it's far or close, we tend to use private transportation, thus rising those emission levels, harming our Earth even more. The government all around the world needs to take action and be the leaders to guide people in the right direction to increase the lifespan of the Earth. My conclusion pinpoints the fact that I stand by the people's side, and it is the government that needs to be blamed for the climate change. Yes, people in general will try their best to help, but it wouldn't be as effective without the push of authority in today's modern society.